In this video, we will learn how to automatically highlight it active cells row in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. You can see here when you click on the any row, the row is automatically highlighted. So let's see how it's done. First, select the full data Control A, then click on the Home tab, click on the conditional formatting, click on the new rule, then click on the user formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, then enter here your formula. Okay, is equal to in caps cell bracket double quote row double quote bracket close is equal to row bracket open bracket close. Then click on the format, click on the fill option, click here the color and click on OK. Click on OK. Here you can see the row is highlighted, but this highlight it not move. Okay, so let's see how it's done. Just click on the developer tab, click on the visual basis, click on the sheet number 1. Okay, just click on it. I'm using here sheet number 1, that's why I'm select the sheet number 1 highlight option. Select the worksheet, enter here the code application dot screen updating. Okay, select it option is equal to true. Select the true option and close it. Now you can see here the highlight is move with the active cells. Okay, hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.